this video, we will show you how to use your current analytics solutions to discover machine learning opportunities. This is important because it can make implementing machine learning at your organization less costly, less time consuming, and increases your rate of success. When looking to implement AI and machine learning at your organization, it is easy to get overwhelmed by headlines about technology like robotics and chatbots, for example. Many of these so-called disruptive solutions can have high initial costs and low success rates to implement. So how do we find solutions that are achievable for your organization? The perfect place for inspiration is your Qlik apps. They have active users, they have clean data, and they already have visualizations to help you explore or engineer new features. So review your apps and ask yourself, how can I upgrade this to help our end users make better decisions? Better still, ask your users, what questions still remain unanswered when they visit the app? Can you help them answer questions like what if, why, or how? With Qlik, your analytics and machine learning is done in one place, so it is easy to upgrade your analytics dashboards. Plus, by making use of the resources you already have, you can increase your chances of success and accelerate user adoption rates. I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Graeme Russell. I am a senior data science consultant at Pomerol Partners. If you'd like to find out more, visit our website at pomerolpartners.com.